How to recover deleted comments on Instagram. So in order for us to do this one, you have to remember that you can only do this one if you have just deleted it. For example, what you're going to do is just say, for example, this post of mine right here. I'm just going to go ahead and try to open one of these. Okay, let's go ahead with this picture right here. Now I'm going to head over to the comment section. I'm going to click it, and then I'm just going to go ahead and put here something. Let's say try, and then I'm going to go ahead and post it. So from here, you have the option to delete this one. I'm just going to go ahead and long press on it, and then you have the delete option here. So go ahead and click that one, and then you have here an option to undo it. So if I am going to go ahead and click it, you can see that it automatically retrieves it or undo it. But yeah, say for example, I am going to go ahead and delete this once again, and then I'm just going to leave this one right here. That way I won't be able to do it anymore. So yeah, that is the only way in order for you to be able to recover deleted comments on Instagram.